Comparison of EMF of two cells with a potentiometer. To compare EMF of two cells by using potentiometer, we have to follow diagram. That means circuit diagram. The circuit diagram consists of CD. CD represents potentiometer wire, battery, key and rheostat. Battery, key, rheostat and CD, potentiometer wire, these are all in series form, which makes primary circuit. The C end of the potentiometer wire is connected to terminal M of the DP-dt, and another terminal N is connected to the jockey through galvanometer and I resistance. The cells whose EMF psi1 and psi2 to be compared are connected to the terminals M1, N1 and the M2, N2 of DP-dt switch. That is, cell 1 is connected to terminal M1 and N1. Cell 2 connected M2, N2 of DP-dt switch. Positive terminal of battery and the positive terminal of cell 1 and also positive terminal of cell 2 are connected to the C end of the potentiometer wire. The DP-dt switch is pressed towards M1 and N1 so that the cell 1 is included in the secondary circuit. Now, adjusting the jockey on the potentiometer wire till the galvanometer shows zero deflection, balancing length L1 is found. And same, the DP-dt switch is pressed towards M2, N2 so that cell 2 included in the secondary circuit, and the jockey now adjusted on the potentiometer wire till the galvanometer shows zero deflection. The balancing length L2 is found. Let R is the resistance per unit length of the potentiometer wire and I is the current flowing through the potentiometer wire. So, we know the potentiometer principle. That potentiometer principle is psi is directly proportional to balancing length. So, psi 1 is equal to I R L1, derivative number 1. Same, psi 2 is equal to I R L2, derivative number 2. Now divide 1 by 2. So, psi 1 by psi 2 equal to I R L1 by I R L2. Cancel I and R. So, psi 1 by psi 2 is equal to L1 by L2. This is the required derivative for comparison of EMF of two cells by using potentiometer. This experiment can be repeated for a several time by changing the current flowing through the galvanometer wire by using a rheostat. Rheostat helps the current changing in the galvanometer wire.
DP-dt means double pole, double throw. Thank you.